Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Molluscs. What are some of the representatives of phylum Mollusca? We have the snails, the octopus, squids, oysters are examples of mollusks. In which habitats do mollusks live? Mollusks are found in the sea, freshwater, and in terrestrial environments. What is the morphological features of mollusks after which the phylum is named? The word mollusks means soft thing. Mollusks have soft bodies, and the feature explains the name of the phylum. What are the biological troubles that mollusks face due to their soft body? Because mollusks have a soft body, they are more fragile. They also have more difficult to support their bodies in the terrestrial environment or to fixate to substrates in aquatic habitats. Many species solve the problems by secreting a calcareous carapace or shell, an exoskeleton to support and protect them and prevent dehydration. Are mollusks metamelic beings? Exclusively analyzing this feature, could it be said that mollusks are evolutionally proximal to nematodes or to annelids? In mollusks, there is not a body divided into segments. Considering just this feature, it could be said that evolutionarily they are more proximal to nematodes than annelids. Into which classes are mollusks divided? What are some of representing beings of each class? The phylum Mollusca is divided into 5 main classes. Pelecypoid or bivalves, we have the Pelicoida and Bivalvia. They include the oyster, clams, mussels, and gastropoda, snails, sea slugs, cephalopoid, cephalopoda, squids, octopuses, scaphoid, the tooth shells, polyplacophora, chitons. There are few other mollusk classes. How is the body of gastropods divided? The body of gastropods is divided into three main portions: the head, the viscera, mass, and foot. What is the type of digestive system in mollusks? Mollusks present extracellular digestion and a complete digestive system with the mouth and anus. What is the radula? What is the function of this organ? Some mollusks have a tongue-like structure with harsh salience similar to small teeth. This structure is called radula. The radula projects outside and helps to scrap food. How is the respiratory system in aquatic mollusks characterized? What adaptive respiratory structures do terrestrial mollusks present? Aquatic mollusks oxygenate their body through gills in direct contact with water. Terrestrial mollusks, they reach vesicularity under the mantle cavity, absorbs air, doing the role of primitive lung. Which type of circulatory system do mollusks have? How can it be compared to the respiratory system of annelids? Mollusks, with exception of cephalopods, have an open circulatory system. That is, blood circulates within the vessels from the heart, but it also fills the open lacuna or the cavities. In annelids, the circulatory system is closed, i.e., the blood circulates only inside the blood vessels. How is the large size of cephalopods related to their circulatory system they present? In cephalopods, the circulatory system is closed, and this provides more speed and pressure for the blood circulation, allowing existence of species with large bodies like the octopus and giant squids. How is the excretory system in mollusks characterized? Mollusks have one or two pairs of sponge-like nephridia, similar to kittens. What other type of exoskeleton do some mollusks present? Some mollusks like bivalves and gastropods secrete an external calcareous carapace or the shell. Calcium carbonate is secreted by the mantle, a fold in the epidermis, forming a shell. In polypods, the shell is made up of two valves that articulate and contain the individual body within. In gastropods, the shell contains only part of the body, the visceral mass. Do octopuses and squids have exoskeleton? Octopuses and squids generally do not produce external shell. Some squid species have an internal shell. One cephalopod group, the nautilus, produces an external spiral shell. Which other phylum of animal kingdom present species with exoskeleton? Arthropods present exoskeleton made of chitin. Echinoderms do not have exoskeleton, but they present a calcareous endoskeleton. Some chordates also have external carapace. What is the function of the feet in mollusks? How is the mollusk feet related to the name given to the class or the phylum? The mollusk foot has a function of locomotion, support, fixation, digging in the environment, and sometimes holding of prey. Determination of the names given to the main mollusk classes come from a Greek word podos, which means foot. Gastropods have feet in their ventral region, as the name indicates. Pelecypods have an X-shaped feet. X in Greek is pelekais. In cephalopods, the feet are near the head. How is the nervous system of the mollusk organized? Mollusks have a well-developed sensory structures. It is accepted that cephalopods, like the octopus and squid, have eyes with image formation. Snails have antennae and pair of well-defined eyes. Bivalves do not present eyes, but they have photosensitive and tactile cells. Cephalization is evident in molluscs, and neurons concentrate in the Gagalian pattern. What are the examples of ecological and economic importance of molluscs? Molluscs are important players in several food chains in the ecosystem. Many marine molluscs are part of the common human diet, like octopus and squids, very appreciated in the East. Oyster and mussels consumed all around the world. Besides molluscs that are part of the food industry, pearls are made by oyster, have high commercial value. How are natural and artificial pearls created? Pearls are made from small strange particles that deposit between the shell and the mantle of the oyster. These particles trigger a defense process by the organism, and they gradually cover by calcium carbonate layers secreted by the oyster, thus giving birth to the pearls. In artificial production, the pearls, a small fragment of shell covered with the mantle pieces, is inserted between the shell and the mantle of an oyster, and the pearl is formed around the graft. Molluscs identity card. How do molluscs characterized according to examples of representing beings, basic morphology, type of symmetry, germ layers, and coil, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, and types of reproduction. Examples of representing beings: snails, sea slugs, octopus, squids, mussels, oysters. Basic morphology: they have soft body, with or without calcareous shell. The type of symmetry is bilateral. Germ layers and coelom, it is triploblastic and columate. The digestive system is complete. Respiratory system, branchial or interstitial gastropod, lungs. Circulatory system is open or in cephalopods, closed. Excretory system, nephridia. Nervous system, ganglio. Advanced cephalation in cephalopods. Type of reproduction, sexual. Hello my friends, thank you very much for participating in molluscs. Please do like, share and subscribe.